So, welcome to our social science class. In the previous class, we learnt about the plateau region, the location, the climate, and the mineral deposits. In today's class, we'll learn about the food, clothing, and occupation of people in the plateau region. Right?
Keywords we will use are
Mining. Mining is a process of digging minerals from the ground. Okay, the process of digging minerals out of the ground. Okay.
Okay.
So let us watch this video.
Many people of the plateau region are miners and farmers. They eat rice, roti, dal, and vegetables. They wear loose cotton clothes because the climate is hot.
Okay, after watching this video,
Let's summarize.
people living in the plateau region can be miners and farmers. Okay, they will eat rice, dal, pulses, and vegetables. They will wear loose cotton clothes. So, occupation, food, and clothing. Occupation the people do in the plateau region: mining or growing crops like soybean. Food, rice, roti, vegetables. They eat. Clothing, loose cotton clothes.
Part
How do the climate, soil, and minerals affect people's occupation, food, and clothing in the plateau region?
Let's summarize.
The Chota Nagpur Plateau of Central Highlands has black soil which is good for growing cotton and sugar cane. Both the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau region are rich in mineral deposits, which means that many people can work here as miners. Okay, so what we have learned here, the Chota Nagpur region and the Central Highlands. Okay, this place has black soil which is fertile and very good for growing cotton and sugarcane crops. And both in Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau, they are rich in mineral deposits, which makes the people to work as miners. The climate of the plateau region is generally hot, which means that people will have to wear loose cotton clothes to stay cool.
Part 3.
So, where will you find more people living in the Thar Desert or in the plateau region?
Let's
We will find more people living in the plateau region because it is not as hot and barren as the Thar Desert. Thar Desert has a very hot and dry climate, and it is barren. Barren means without any trees, plants, not much plants and trees grow there. People have more ways to earn a living because the rivers that flow through the plateau region make the soil fertile to grow different kinds of crops. Here in plateau region, people have choice to do different occupations, different jobs, because the soil is fertile to grow crops, and many mineral deposits are there, so that people can be miners. So,
Okay. Now it's time for some application.
okay.
Let's find our workbook and complete worksheet 8.4. I repeat, worksheet 8.4. Please do the worksheet on your own.
Put today's date, lifestyle of people in the plateau region. Which one is a plateau? Tick the correct picture. Okay. On picture A shows a plain land, whereas picture B you can see the land is raised land from the surrounding areas. So picture B is the plateau. Question 2. Ratan lives in the Chota Nagpur Plateau region and depends on mineral deposits for a living. Describe the food, clothing of Ratan and give a reason for your answer. Okay, food, occupation, and clothing. Food, rice, roti, vegetables, and dal. Reason, because these are the crops that are grown here in the fertile soils. Occupation, either mining or farming, because mineral deposits are there here in the plateau region, as well as the soil is fertile, which makes the people to take up farming. Clothing, loose cotton clothes because hot climate here. Question 3, do you think more people be living in the plateau region as compared to the Thar desert? Why? Yes, more people will be living in the plateau region because of the fertility of the soil and the mineral deposits here, and the rivers that flow here give more opportunities for people to do various jobs, right? So let's move ahead.
Okay.
Now all of you open your content book and answer the practice questions in the content book. Write if true or false. The plateau region is rich in mineral deposits. True. People do not grow crops in the plateau region. False. Write 2 examples each of food and occupation and 1 example of clothing of the people of the plateau region. 2 examples you have to give about their food, about occupation, and 1 example of the clothing. Food is rice and roti. Occupation, mining and farming. 1 example of clothing is loose cotton clothes. So that is the answer. You can write these 5 words there. Third one, more people live in Thar desert than in Deccan Plateau. Do you think this statement is true? Why? No, it is false because more people live in the plateau region than the Thar desert, because there are more opportunities for people to do various jobs because of the fertility of the soil here in plateau region, because of the rivers that flow in this plateau region, and also the mineral deposits, right? So that's all for now. Complete your work, read the lesson twice from the content book, underline new words. Thank you. Have a good day.